How to do previewing pages in Squarespace. So to preview a page in Squarespace, first open your site in the actual editor. So on this case, click on this edit site option. Now looking here for the page that you wish to edit. I'll edit right here my home page. Now for this case, click on edit and it will open in here this. So on this case, you actually just need to head over and then try to open the preview option. To do that, you can actually head over and then do so by doing some things that you wish to use. For example, you can first edit or add some blocks, adding here some elements that you wish to use. Once you're done with everything, you can click on save and proceed to exit. Once you have exited, this will replace the icons that we have on the right part right here. You can see this arrow icon, which is actually our preview option. Just click on this right here, and then this will open the preview of this. And here is the preview of our page. As you can see, I can edit the element, but I can scroll through it clearly through this page as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.